Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Make sure your Jeep is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Having the right tools, like a 10mm wrench, will make this process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's disconnect the battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen the nut and carefully remove the negative cable. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent accidental short circuits. Once that's done, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and remove its red cable. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Most Jeep Grand Cherokees have a hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in its tray. Locate the bolt or mechanism holding this clamp and loosen or remove it. Once the hold-down is free, carefully lift the battery straight up and out. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back, to avoid injury. When installing a new battery, always clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly for optimal connection. Remember to connect the positive cable first, then the negative cable, reversing the removal order. This helps prevent sparks. For a fresh car interior, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Life's too short for a stinky car. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep your Jeep running smoothly and smelling great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.